Hi everyone. Why attracting high-ticket client to your salon feel almost impossible? So many hairstylists and salon owner just feel frustrating and say, "Oh, I do everything, but it doesn't work." I'm not sure why I cannot get the client through social media, or I can't get the people to book the high ticket client in my service because every time I say, okay, the price increase or price higher, whatever, they say, oh, can you give me a discount? Can you do it cheaper? Those kind of things, it just makes feel frustrating. And post consistently, post a lot every single day on social media, get burned out, but it still doesn't get the client that want to book. Why is that? Let me share with you three important things what I implement that for my business. And in my opinion, it just, if you twist, you change after you watching this video, you implement that, you will see the result, it change. Okay, you can get more client through social media and they say, okay, I trust you, I love what you do, I believe you can help someone, you can help me. So what actually strategy for you to doing that? Right, let's do this. So the first of all, I hear this all the time from salon owner, why I'm not getting premium client I want. The answer often lies in the few key areas that you can't control. Today, we are breaking down exactly why this happened and more importantly, what you can do about it. Number one, inconsistent result. The first reason is inconsistency. High ticket client demand exceptional, predictable result every single time. If your team balayage or color technique are inconsistent, clients are unlikely to see the value. This makes them hesitant to book premium service to attract high-ticket client. You need to ensure that every visit deliver the result that they want. All right. Remember, what I mean that when you actually deliver the result, like each time is different, and each time you say, we will see how it look like. Let's see, we work on it, and we'll see how it turn out. And you try to doing it, and then it not turn out. You say, okay, next time, okay, next time. And that is not what I'm talking about. It need to have the real, the formula, the technique that you can deliver result for them, make them feel that only you or your team can do that for them. So which means, for example, if you do balayage dark go to blonde in one appointment, you know which hair you can do that in one appointment. And if you can do that in one appointment, that you already stand out. That already make you look different. Your brand is different and you can have the skill, the technique, the formula that deliver result that client actually want. And of course, how they can feel you have consistent result, they look through social media. These day client very smart, and they are very particular. When they look at the picture on through social media, they can feel you consistent or not, which means they look at the picture, they can see the contrast, they can see the hash line, they can see the blend, they can see the definition. They see in it, if you're consistent, which means a lot of picture you show on social media, it make them can see that blend, nice, creamy, no brassy, and it make them trust because it's consistent. A lot of picture is the same result. So that's what I mean is really important. Now, the next thing that it lack of clear branding and messaging. Let's talk about branding and messaging. High ticket client choose brand they trust. If your message is unclear or doesn't different to the premium salon. You are missing out. Make sure every post, every client experience, and every piece content you create speak to your unique value. Again, I just say before, I just say, when you actually post the picture, it need to be shown that consistency and very clear brand message. Brand message in here, okay. Brand message, it mean what problem you solve, how you solve it, and what the result it turn out. Let's say I am the hair transformation specialist. My clear message, brand message like balayage, dark gold to blonde in one appointment, in one section without brassy or damage. Can you see that? Very clear. More balayage or color correction in one appointment. It's very clear in here. Most of hairstylists say, you have to come, you have dark hair, you want to blonde, you have to come back 5 times. But I say balayage, dark gold to blonde in one section, in one appointment. That very clear, make them think, oh, someone do 5 times, I come here it 1 time, it saved my time. That make them feel that trust. All right, that number 1. So number 2, think that in one appointment without brassy or damage. Most of clients that come back for 3, 4, 5 times, hair it just feel brassy and damaged, right? So that's why it make them feel that don't trust. But with me, my brand is very clear message that make them feel trust. But again, it's not about the brand message only, the brand message, but I show them the result, what actually they want, the result that dark to blonde in one appointment without brassy. Most of hair, it would be creamy blonde, color correction, or darker to blonde, it's just creamy or ash blonde. It's no brassy. Okay, that is very, very important. So make sure you have clear brand message. Next one. Week of client communication and experience. Finally, exceptional service go beyond to the chair. High-ticket client expect personalized, seamless experience from start to finish. Miscommunication, lack of follow-up, not listen to client need will make them hesitate to return. Communication and care are the key to build trust. I see a lot of hair stylists actually do is when clients come in, either they want the hair color or haircut, they just do maybe less than 5-minute consultation, most. Some it longer, but I can see most. Hey, what do you want today? Oh, full head of foil, cut and color. Oh, how much you want to cut, or just that it? Or would you like to do toner as well and styling as well? Okay, yeah, okay, that's no problem. Okay, let's do this. And then that's it. It is very important that communication is just client come. If you expect client come in and pay you higher price and you want them to make sure you are stand out and pay premium price, you do need to do something a little bit different. Care about them. Ask them more questions. Why they want that blonde? Why they want that? What they don't like about their hair? What do they feel right now? What happened if the hair it caramel, but it's not a clean blonde? Ask them deep question, twist and change different way to deeply understand that actually the real reason why they come to the salon. Maybe sometimes that client, they are actually looking for new salon. That's a lot of my clients say that, and I see a lot. They literally not happy with the previous salon. They move and they go to the new salon. They look something different. They look someone to fit their brush in it on their hair. If you don't ask them to find out what actually they don't like about their hair, they don't have a chance to tell you. And when they don't tell you, you give them the same result with the previous hair salon. What will happen? They will leave. They would leave even those you had the skill to solve their problem. But because you don't talk to them, you don't know what they need. So that's why they just leave your salon. That's why I think it's super important. Take time, ask question, do long consultation, ask more questions to understand why they come to get hair done, what they don't like about it, and what make them feel happy and valued. And then after the conversation, most of the time I do that, and my students do that. The client just like, I trust you. You just do whatever you want. I don't care about how much it costs, because I know what you. I believe you know what you're saying. So that's what I think is the most important, that if you want client pay premium price, this is communication is very important. Take time, consultation, probably. So that is very important. So now what you can do about it. All right, so I share with you 3 things. So now the next step, what you need to do. So number 1, master your craft, invest in continued training for your team, and so they can consistently deliver high quality result. Master the after technique like advanced balayage. Or it is important that if you do hair transformation, right? Very important. Let's say the high ticket client, they love to do hair transformation. A couple hair transformation is, in my opinion, balayage, blonde balayage, color correction, keratin straight, keratin straightening, or hair extension. I think this one. All right. Master the skill of hair transformation, blonde balayage, color correction, like this. I do this from dark gold to blonde in one appointment. This one. You see that? This one in one appointment. And then here, this keratin straight, this one, it lasts for 6 months. 3 to 6 months. It saves client time. Some clients that feel frustrated, they don't know how to manage their hair. They just feel that it's so hard for them to maintain their hair. Takes so long because it's frizzy, it hard to maintain. They have to spend half an hour to an hour to straighten their hair. If you do keratin straight, release, it make their hair less frizzy, easy to manage. Wash hair and the hair is ready to go. That make them love, and they come back to your services. The skill is very important. Or with hair extension here, this is I did for my client, that color correction and hair extension just in one day. And if you can have the skill and do this with the hair transformation for client, that is make client trust you and come with you. So master the hair transformation. That's the key to attract high ticket client. All right, that's number 1. Number 2, build strong brand presence. Develop clear, consistent message that's position your salon at the go-to for premium transformation. So what I mean, that again, make sure that the brand message is clear. Describe what problem you solve, how you solve that, what the result that they expect for. So that make sure you do that. When you're watching until here, I hope that you got pen and paper, write it down and take my example and do that. You make sure you got the result in the next 90 days or 30 days. Okay, if you do that consistently, you could see. So enhance, number 3, enhance client experience. Focus on personalized consultation, top-notch service. Follow up that make every client feel valued. It's very important. Very important. If you do short consultation, you don't understand client what they want. Miscommunication, that make client that really not happy with the service, which means they will leave. So you cannot attract them into your service, to your business, and you can't not have refer because they're not happy. They will not refer. You don't have the quality of review, and that is miss so much opportunity in your business. All right. So, but inside of Premier Global Hair Academy, we actually teach you with the consultation to attract high-ticket client, the structure to do consultation for each client, high-ticket client. That inside, we give you the structure, what to say first, what to say next, what make client trust you and say, here's my money, you do whatever. I trust you. That is what we teach inside our Premier Global Hair Academy. So the next thing, the next step that you are, if you are ready to attract high-ticket client and scale your salon business to the next level, join my free live workshop where I will be sharing proven strategy to help you and your business build a thriving, profitable salon. Click to the link below to save your spot so you can learn live. I go live workshop. I will share with you the strategy. You will see your business go to the next level. Check the link below and go register for that and learn. I guarantee with you, you implement that. My student during this, they work by themselves 3 days a day, make 15K a month with high-ticket client. They can do it. Your team, can you imagine if your team have the skill to get the revenue for you like 15 to 20K a month with high-ticket client? What do you see your business? All right, so I will share with you in masterclass. So bye for now.